Hey guys, it's Erica here from Big Cat Creative, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your Squarespace website. Have you ever noticed when you land on someone's site that there's a little lock icon next to their website URL? This little lock icon means that their website has a valid and active SSL certificate. But sometimes this little lock can change into a not secure warning, which is a sign that their site isn't secure. It can also change all the way into trying to prevent you to even visit the site at all, which is obviously a huge problem. So what does that actually mean? Honestly, unless you're into this sort of stuff, and you're probably not, it's pretty boring, there's no reason that I need to go into serious detail about what an SSL certificate is. I'm sure you can find it on Google elsewhere if you want to, but I do need to quickly tell you why you do really need it and what can happen if you don't have it. And of course, then I'll show you how to activate it with a click of a button in Squarespace. Basically, SSL makes sure the connection between your browser and the website you are on is secure. You can tell if the SSL is active if the site URL begins with HTTPS, not just HTTP, and there's a little green padlock next to the URL. And if you click on this padlock, it should say something like connection is secure. It's really important for the security of your data and your website visitors' data. It makes sure things like login details and credit card information is handled securely so no one can get their hands on it. And it makes sure that forms and messages sent through your website can't be tampered with. So obviously it's important for security, but it's also really important for your SEO ranking. Google actually punishes websites that don't have an active SSL certificate by pushing them down in the rankings. So if you weren't convinced that you need to have one before, this should be enough to get you moving. Okay, so how do you actually make your Squarespace site secure? In classic Squarespace fashion, they've made this as easy as possible. In fact, they handle almost all of it. All you need to do is press a button. So just head to squarespace.com and log into your account, and then you're going to click on the website that you want to secure. Then click on Settings, scroll down and click on Advanced, and then click on SSL. So you'll want to make sure secure is checked, and also HSTS secure is also checked. So just make sure both of those are selected, and that is all you need to do. And that's it. It might take a little while before your site shows as secure, so just give it about 24 hours. If it's longer than that, I recommend reaching out to Squarespace support and they will be able to help. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.